Have you ever pondered over the art of making millions in real estate? Well, it's not as elusive as it may seem. Sit back, relax, and let's unravel the mystery together. Firstly, it's essential to understand that real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands time, patience, and consistent effort. However, the fruits of this labor can be incredibly rewarding, potentially leading to millions in profit. Step one in this journey is acquiring knowledge. Immerse yourself in books, podcasts, and seminars about real estate. Knowledge is power, and in this industry, it's the cornerstone of success. Understanding market trends, property values, and investment strategies will give you a leg up. The second step is to create a robust financial plan. Ask yourself, how much can I afford to invest? Keep in mind, it's not about having millions to start with, but about making smart choices with what you have. Remember, even the most successful real estate moguls started somewhere. Next, it's time to build a network. Surround yourself with experienced real estate professionals such as brokers, appraisers, and fellow investors. Their insights and advice can be invaluable. Also, consider finding a mentor, someone who has walked the path you're embarking on and can guide you along the way. Step 4 involves choosing your niche. From residential properties to commercial spaces, there are several avenues to explore. Find a sector that suits your interests and goals. The fifth step is to start investing. Purchase a property, be it a fixer-upper or a rental unit. The key here is to buy low and sell high, or rent for a steady income stream. Lastly, remember that real estate is a long-term game. Patience and perseverance are vital. It's about continuous learning, making calculated risks, and staying resilient in the face of challenges. To recap, making millions in real estate involves acquiring knowledge, creating a financial plan, building a network, choosing a niche, investing, and having patience. It's a journey filled with learning and growth, but with determination, it can lead to a life of financial freedom and prosperity. So the next time you find yourself dreaming about making millions in real estate, remember that it's not just a dream, it's a possibility that's within your reach. With the right strategies, you can make it a reality. Now go forth and conquer the world of real estate. The journey to millions awaits.